What's poppin' on again? It's your girl Night, and I'm back with another video. And today, guess what I'm gonna be doing? A back to school maintenance hashtag junior year coming trim all year, and that's on what? That's on game. Well, no. But anyways, y'all, I'm sorry. That was so crazy. My tripod is a little crooked. But yeah, it's my junior year. Today is August 3rd. And this is the day where I start my maintenance. It's currently like 6:32. And today I get my nails done. And then, no. Okay, first off, school starts August 7th on a Thursday. And today is Sunday and I get my nails done. It was supposed to be I think it was supposed to be Tuesday, August 5th. August 5th. But I had to get them done early, but it's cool. Hopefully I don't break my nails, but I'm trying to be careful. But yeah, I get my nails done I get my nails done today at 7 and it's 6:30 and I'm finna go put on some clothes. And I get my lashes. I'm getting lashes stitches for the first time. I get them done Wednesday, August 6th. I get my hair done August 6th too. I'm so ready. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all my wig. Ugh. Here go right here, 28-inch. It's in here. It's just a straight wig. I'm getting a style. Probably just a side part. I don't know yet. Y'all gonna be finding out with me. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna get ready to go to my appointment. So much has happened, y'all. My phone is currently not working like Wi-Fi. Whenever I go somewhere, no Wi-Fi. So I have to connect to somebody else's Wi-Fi. But guess what? I get a new phone. So this is my last time vlogging on my 15. It's cool. So I'm getting an iPhone 16 Plus. This is a 15 Plus that I got. And yeah. So hopefully I don't have no problems with this phone. And yeah. I'm very appreciative. But yeah, I'm going to talk to y'all when I get to Jabria house to do my nails. Alright, y'all. I got to hurry up and get ready. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. And yeah, let's get to it. None again. Hey y'all, welcome to day 2 of the maintenance. I washed my hair, blow dry my hair because today is Tuesday. It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30. And I get my hair and lashes done tomorrow. I get my lashes done at 8:30 in the morning. And I get my hair done at 3 o'clock. Tomorrow's a busy day because if y'all don't know, I do lashes, like lash clusters on other people. A little quick $15. I do somebody lashes at 12 o'clock tomorrow, and then my new phone comes tomorrow, so I gotta set that up too. So it's gonna be real busy, and then I'm also babysitting, getting money for that too. So yeah, so y'all just please, if it's all over the place, my bad, but I'm trying my best. But I promise to get more of my content, not be scared to like film in front of my people that do my my maintenance, because like it's giving them a way to get their name out and stuff like that. Cause I always support, especially my lash person that's doing my lashes tomorrow. Like, I'm getting her name out, cause I love Leia, and people don't really know that she do lashes like that. But I know she been practicing, and it's been looking good. So I said let her do it on me. So yeah, y'all, my nails are so cute and like so good. Like it's short. I don't know how to feel. Like usually my nails be like, y'all know. Y'all, this big old butt right here is throwing me. But y'all, tomorrow is gonna be a school night. I'll be getting ready for bed. So as soon as like I get back home from my appointments, like my hair appointment, I'm gonna try to edit this vlog and get it out on August 7th. It's August 5th, gonna be August 6th. So please let me get this out August 7th, Lord willing. And then I'm gonna try to do a get ready with me for school in the morning, and then show y'all my after school night routine and tell y'all my first day went, because I can't vlog in school because I live in Alabama. They got this stupid phone rule. We can't have no phones. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get out of it. I'm not telling y'all my plans because they don't work out. But yeah, quick little update. So if I just start in the morning without talking, it might just be a montage. Then my fault. It's gonna be early, and yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I made it to my lash appointment early. It's 8:18, and wait, why my camera leaving? Yeah, I got on my maintenance thing, my nails. Y'all, both of my bows came off, but you can't tell unless you like up close. But yeah, these how they look. But I'm waiting for the girl to say I can come in. And y'all, I told y'all like my phone is like the Wi-Fi sucks on here, so like I don't know if nobody get my messages. She probably texting my phone. And sorry, my face ain't like clean. I wash my face, like put on my cleanser, but I couldn't put on no product. But yeah, I'm just waiting till 8:30 to come. I really hope this the right address. I followed the map, but the map, like her address says something, like it says the number, like the house number, and I'm at the house number. Then the address, it says something different, which is like around the street. I rode around the street, and I don't think that's her house. I don't know. I think this is hers because it got this blue car. I don't know. Some just saying this her house. Yeah, y'all. So I'm just waiting for time to go. I sent the I'm here message, but it's going slow, so I might just have to go knock on the door, and I don't want to knock on the door because it might be the wrong door. And yeah, you just don't knock on people's doors around where I live. You don't do that. You don't do that anywhere. But yeah, like, yeah, it's 8:30. I'm tired, but you ain't hear that in the day. I'm so ready. But I'm gonna get my lashes did. I should have brought my purse, but I should have brought my tripod. Someone's telling me to bring my tripod, but it's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and go in when it hit like 8:25. So yeah, all right, y'all.
Money with a ceiling, 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town, full of feelings. He like the way that I dress, throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat, the baddest in the room. So tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boot, they gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? Not as if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, if the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. Why would I go? If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn.
You can go your own way or leave me. You can go your own way or leave me.
Yeah, I got my lashes did. I'm sorry I ain't record that much. It's because like I was trying to not be in her way. I was trying to let her do her work and whatever. Oh y'all. Y'all, I like them. My eyes watering, y'all. Yeah. I'm so happy that my new phone come today because yeah, these lashes. I'm so happy my new phone come today because what's it called? Oh shoot, my eye, y'all. Hold on. Because my phone, like, I was 30 minutes late to my appointment. But luckily she ain't tripping because she like knew or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna talk y'all when I get home. I gotta get this out my eye real quick. My eyes watering. Hold on, y'all. This the finished product. Yeah. Got the last thing. y'all when I get to the girl place. Hey y'all, so I just got my hair done. Sorry my lips red, I had some red. So my hair is done and now we on the way back home. And now, what's it called? I'm waiting. I don't know, we finna go drop the kids. It's kinda like, but yeah, bone straight. It was supposed to come out like curly, like one curl. Like, you know, once you get in the chair, you always look different. But yeah, guys, so this will be the end of my back to maintenance prep. I will talk to y'all. I will see y'all in the next vlog, which will be me getting ready for the first day of junior year. How you feel about me being a junior? And I got my 2 shoes back there. Yeah, I got yeah, there goes my outfits. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. And yeah, bye. Nana, gang.